Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the XDefiant error code DELTA-24? This error code can be quite a nuisance, causing you to be kicked out of your match and interrupting your gaming experience. This error message, which reads, "Attention. Game connection failed, likely due to poor local network quality. Please check your internet connection," can appear at any point in the match, whether it's the middle or just as you're about to finish. But fear not, we've gathered some potential fixes to help you get back to your game as soon as possible. Fix number 1. Try device and game level troubleshoots. Start by shutting down your gaming devices along with the internet and disconnect them from the power source. Wait for a full 5 minutes and then restart your devices to check if the error still persists. If it does, check for any pending updates for the game or your device OS and install them if necessary. Fix number 2. Try network level troubleshoots. Consider switching between a wired connection and a wireless one. If the error persists, try connecting your device over a mobile hotspot connection to see if the issue is with your default network. Fix number 3. Disable input-based matchmaking. Some users have found success in simply disabling the input-based matchmaking. You can do this by going to Settings, selecting Matchmaking and Account, then going to Input-based Matchmaking and turning it off. After making these changes, restart the game and check for the error. Fix number 4. Check XDefiant server status. If everything else seems fine, the game servers might be down or experiencing high traffic. You can check the XDefiant server status by referring to the XDefiant server status page. To recap, if you're experiencing the XDefiant error code DELTA-24, try shutting down and restarting your devices, checking for updates, switching your network connection, disabling input-based matchmaking, or checking the XDefiant server status. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.